Hey there, sweeties. Here I am at Poppin' Candy HQ, and I wanted to tell you a bit about the new Autumn/Winter 19, so 2019 range from Vendula. In this video, we're going to talk about the vintage stationery range, which is here behind me. I want to show you a pretty in-depth look at some of these styles. Yay! So let's get started. First of all, we have the gorgeous travel wallet from Vendula. So I'll just show you nice and close. This little tab right here says, reminder, be happy. We love that. This range is full of positive affirmations. It's got heaps of little embellishments. This little heart tab here is absolutely gorgeous. It's got like a little faux paper clip and some beautiful rose embroidery. It's got a handy pocket just here at the back. But the best thing about this wallet is, of course, inside. So this little magnetic kiss lock here just pops open. And then it's got all these really cool compartments inside. So this is for loose change. It just snaps open. You can fit plenty of change inside there. Lots and lots of different currencies too, I'm sure, since this is a travel wallet. Your passport goes in this section. It's clear, so you can tuck it in there. And then there's also some document or currency folders behind. So this one says tickets, this one says currency, and this one says documents. So you can put your travel bits and pieces in all of these really generous sized slots here. And then there's room for, I think, 9 different cards, including one windowed pocket here at the front. So it is super handy for traveling, and it's also gorgeous. It's a great size, so you can carry it along with you. It'll tuck into most handbags. So we definitely are in love with the new travel wallet. This one is $119. Available on poppincandy.com.au for probably a limited time, because it's been so incredibly popular that I reckon those will be sold out very soon. So this is the clip wallet from the same range, Antique Stationery, not Antiques Stationery. So this little cutie is absolutely gorgeous. It has this old-fashioned, nice big clip lock at the top of the outside pocket. So 2 big, really roomy and beautifully lined with this gorgeous fabric pockets. And then there's also another spot for some cards there on the outside. And then you can see it's got this little S shape here, so it opens as like a tri-fold wallet inside. This part here is not a pocket, but there are several other compartments here that you could fold and tuck some notes into. There's plenty of space for all of your cards, including another one of the window little slots there. So that's the really gorgeous clip wallet. You can see it's got the embroidery. There's some, this little notebook says the best is yet to come. There's a little pencil there. Really cute, really, really special. There's also this is one of the traditional, I think this is one of 2. I'll show you the other right now, actually. So one of 2 traditional Vendula shapes in this range. There are only 2. The others are all new or fairly new shapes for Vendula. So this is the zip coin and this is the pouch. So they're obviously compatible, not exactly twinning. A lot of times you'll notice that the zip coin matches exactly the pouch bags from Vendula. But in this case, they're slightly different, which is pretty cool. This one's got a little doodle drawing of a bike on the little notepad. There's some cute wooden buttons there. Give you a little closer view. And then, of course, the embroidery. And then we've got the pencil and the notepad, the best is yet to come, on the back there. You can see, I'll show you some more of this beautiful finish, but it's got like a lovely light shimmer to this fabric, and there's lots of depth, light, and shade. So it looks really vintage, as I'm sure is what they were going for. And there's the zip coin again. It's got this cute little button heart. And then this one says positive mind, positive life on the back. So super cute. And as always in the zip coin, there is also a key ring. So you can pop your house key or the key to your safety deposit box if you have one. So that's really cool. It's like an antique gold finish. Beautiful. And this whole range has that gorgeous sort of butterfly and roses pattern on the inside lining. Okay, so the last piece of the small items from this range is the cosmetic bag, which is really gorgeous. I just want to show you inside of this. It'll give you a good view of the lining and to see how much fits inside there. So the lining of this one is different to the others because this is a cosmetics bag, so it's meant to be able to be a bit wet or powdery. They didn't want to ruin that gorgeous floral pattern from the other bags. So it's a little bit more of a reinforced lining in there, but there's 2 compartments for you to tuck small things, little hair clips or earrings, and then the main compartment for all of your makeup and toiletries to take with you on a beautiful holiday once the world is open to such things again. This one also has the little reminder to be happy, which we all need a reminder of at the moment. There's a close-up. So most of these elements appear on all of the bags, the embroidery, the buttons, this little badge, paper, pencils, paper clips, things like that. But they're kind of different on each bag, which I think is fantastic. And I don't know if you can see it in this light, but there's a definite sort of almost gold metallic sheen to this. It's so beautiful. It is really gorgeous. You can imagine it out in the sun. So this is the satchel. Sorry. So all of the larger bags in this range have a canvas strap. So you can see there, it's fully adjustable, so you can easily make it longer or shorter if you need to. Sorry, it has a little safety catch down here that I didn't notice. I thought I could just shake it and it would be all right, but there we go. So we can make it even longer if you want. Step back a stitch. So this sits great right here on my hip, but I could make it longer and wear it as a crossbody quite easily. So you may notice these little latches here. It looks like it would be kind of annoying to get your bag open if you have to undo this buckle every time. I actually did undo this buckle thinking that that was a necessity, but actually it's not. So it's again a magnetic kiss lock opening. So that's really cute and cool and handy. So this will give you a really good look at the fabric. This beautiful 100% vegan. So Vendula is a certified vegan company. So that means that all of this vegan leather is man-made. So no animals were harmed in the making of any of the Vendula ranges. And in fact, we don't use any animal products in any of our ranges. So including our shoes and everything else that we stock here at Poppin' Candy, we don't use any leather or any animal materials. So, but this is the highest quality vegan leather that you can get, I think. I mean, it is divine. You can really see the depth and texture. Absolutely beautiful. It looks truly vintage. Like it looks like a well-loved, beaten-up bag, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. So that's inside. There's a zipper compartment to keep everything safe. Sorry. I can't speak tonight. So you keep everything safe with that extra bit of protection with the zipper inside. And then you just pop it back closed. It's got this beautiful sort of magnifying glass. And then there's the buttons again that we talked about, the reminder to be happy, the little doodle of the bike. I mean, this one has everything, doesn't it? It even has a little pot of pencils here on the back. So That is the satchel, and that one is $189 AUD, available on poppingcandy.com.au. So when you go onto our website, excuse me, you'll see an accessory section, and the handbags are in the accessory section. So that's where you can find that. This is the hobo bag. So again, canvas, adjustable length. You can fix that up however you like to make it up under your arm if you prefer carrying bags like that, or you can have it down a little bit lower, or even lower, down at hip, or even almost to your knee. I think this is a nice long strap here. Excuse me. And again, we have all the little motifs that we've seen. Beautiful embellishments, just gorgeous craftsmanship on these bags. The little pencil cup on the back this time has a ruler inside as well. So as you can see, little tweaks to each one, just to make them all that little bit special. So second last item in this range is this beautiful backpack. I'll show you what it looks like on. You can carry it easily slung just over one shoulder like this, or you can slip both arms in and wear it like this. It's nice and lightweight, very comfortable to wear. The canvas straps are actually very soft. You can see they're like super pliable. They're not gonna like rub you or cause any chafing or discomfort. So that's super cool, really comfortable. Again, we've got the little pencil cup on the back. This has another cute little pocket in the front. You could tuck a little lipstick or something in there if you wanted. Chapstick, be a great spot for a chapstick. And then again, we have the kiss lock opening and the added security of a zipper top. This also has a really cool feature to keep the shape interesting. They've sort of pinched it in at the top, as you can see, but they've added a buckle in each sort of little pinch. So if you want to be able to open it wider at the top, you can actually unbuckle that on both sides, and that will help you be able to get down in there if you've got like big things inside, trying to get your iPad out or something like that. And down inside the bag, there is one zipper compartment along the inside lining, and then two unzipped pockets on the other side. So that's the backpack. And then last but absolutely not least, this one's gonna sell out very quickly. I believe there's only one or two left right now of these. So if you're seeing this for the first time, you'll wanna jump onto the website right away. We're gonna try to get some more, but for the moment, they just landed today and they're already almost sold out. So this is the tote. It is enormous. This is the biggest bag that Vendula has ever had. A MacBook will fit in here. I don't know about other laptops. I just know the MacBook will because we had a customer who asked the question and we checked it out. So I'm just gonna take the packing out of the inside of here so you guys can see how easy this bag would be to travel with. So this folds down to almost nothing. Like that would fit in your luggage so easily. Absolutely soft, flexible, pliable, and beautiful. The inside lining fabric is stunning with all the roses, and there's bicycles and butterflies and all kinds of beautiful sort of vintage feel and colorway, postmarks and things. It's really stunning inside there. And again, we have one zippered and one unzippered compartment, two unzippered compartments. And then we do have an external zippered pocket as well. That's nice and roomy, easily fit a phone, possibly even your wallet, or if you had one of the little zip coin purses, that would fit in there, I believe. Let's test it, shall we? Where did I put it? So I will show you. I'm gonna use my chin again. Perfect. So that easily fits down in there. And then how impressive to take that out to pay for something I love it. So this is a really gorgeous size and shape, really easy to carry. And yeah, we just love it. So I hope you've enjoyed checking out the Vendula vintage stationery range with me tonight. And yeah, hop on to popandcandy.com.au to shop. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the things so that you don't miss out on any awesome Pop and Candy content. Hooray! So thanks for joining me tonight. Bye!